Hey QVC babes, Lisa here with Buxom Cosmetics. And if you don't know Buxom, we believe in going big, being bold, and feeling unapologetically sexy in everything that we do. So today I'm gonna use 4 of my favorite Buxom products to create an easy boss babe look and transform it into an after hours night babe look. Watch along. So starting with one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, it's the Buxom Boss Babe Betty eyeshadow palette. Look at all these beautiful textured shades. They're primer infused, and I've already swatched them on my arm so you can see. These are the 4 shades I'm gonna use to create my easy Boss Babe daytime look. Let's get started. So first, I'm going to use a fluffy brush to dip right into Invite Only, the shade right here. So I'm gonna take this, dip it right in there, and start from my lash line here and go all the way up into the crease. Then continuing on with my fluffy brush, I'm going to dip into Work, this deeper shade here. And I'm gonna take this right into the crease. This is just gonna help give me some depth. Then I'm gonna take more of a tapered kind of a brush, and I'm gonna use that same shade Work, so the same deeper shade, and I'm going to just line my lower lash line here. Next, I wanna add some gold into this look. So I'm gonna go with this gorgeous shade right here, Gold Status. And I'm gonna take this more of a flat-headed brush, and I'm gonna go right onto the lid of my eye. Look at that gorgeous color. These are primer infused, so that helps really pick up the color, and they're pigment packed. Now, if you want to really accentuate, you can use your fingers. And I like to do this to get right in the inner corners. I've only used 3 shades so far to create this easy daytime look, and I'm gonna just finish it off with one of the lighter shades, Cashmere Craving. And I'm gonna take this right up here to highlight the brow bone. So 4 shades from this gorgeous palette to create this easy daytime look, but I'm not done. Next up is the cult favorite and iconic Buxom Lash Mascara, another one of my favorites. And it's so popular because it was designed with this hourglass wand shape and nylon bristles. So this is gonna help you coat every single one of your lashes with clump resistant volume. Ready? Watch how easy this is. It's gonna grab every single lash from the root to the tip. Now, to get the ultimate fanned out effect, I want you to try using just the tip of this nylon bristle, and you're gonna push and lift your lashes upwards, starting at the inner towards the bridge of your nose here. Then I'm going towards the center of my lash line and pushing up towards the center of my brows. And then I'm going towards the outer and pushing upward towards my hairline. And this is gonna give you this ultimate fanned out effect. And next up is another one of my favorites. It's the Buxom Wanderlust Primer Infused Blush. One of the reasons why I love it so much is, one, it's primer infused, so it's gonna go on really easily. It's a powder to silk texture, so it's gonna give you this smooth application, but it has this light, beachy scent. So it immediately transforms me to this tropical island every single time I use it. Give yourself a little smile on the apples of your cheeks, and then just lightly dust from the apples of the cheek. I like to take it up to the hairline. So it just gives you this back from vacation, relaxed, unapologetically sexy glow. And next up is the Buxom Full-On Plumping Lip Polish. So full-on plumping, because you know when you put this on, you're gonna get that tantalizing tingle. So you know it's working for you, and you know it's giving you that full pout potential that we all want in our lips. Plus you're gonna get that high shine finish. Glides on really easily. And there you have it. So now that we've had a Boss Babe daytime look, let's transform it easily. Going back to this Boss Babe Betty eyeshadow palette, I want to play around with, believe it or not, one of the darker shades that we have in this palette. It's called Unapologetic. I want to show you how easy it is to actually use these darker shades when you get an eyeshadow palette like this at home. So I'm going to actually use a angled liner brush, and I'm going to dip right into that shade called Unapologetic. And then I'm just going to kind of line my lash line here. So you can use eyeshadows to create a liner. Easy so far. I'm gonna even take the same shade and line my lower lash line since we are talking about a nighttime look. You can take more of a more packed brush, more densely packed brush like that, and then you can just kind of help smoke it out a little bit if you want. Then I'm gonna go back and maybe I'll just do 1 or 2 more shades to finish this, but I think I wanna try this shade right here called Upgrade, and I'm gonna just take that right here onto the lid. Maybe I'll take all access right here and I'll use my fingers, my ring finger, again, just to kind of amp up the inner corner here, just to create that little highlight effect. So I used 4 of my favorite products to create this look, and I went from an easy daytime look, because we're all boss babes during the day, and then I easily transformed it to being an even bigger boss babe at night. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and I hope to see you soon.